In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to Devant TV. So let's get started. Well, the first method is wireless, obviously using AirPlay screen mirroring. But for this to happen, your TV needs to support AirPlay mirroring. And most of the latest versions do that. So what are the steps? Well, first of all, you're going to make sure that your iPad and your Devant TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. Once that is done, then you have to open your Devant TV, go to settings, system, and somehow look for the Apple AirPlay option somewhere there. Once you find this option, just go ahead and turn it on. Now, if your TV doesn't support AirPlay, then don't worry, later in the video, I'm gonna go over more alternatives that you can do. Now, once you're done with that, then on your iPad, you're gonna go to this control center. So just go ahead and scroll on the top right, downwards. Then you can just click on screen mirroring from here and just choose your Devant TV from this list. And if your TV shows a code or something, then just go ahead and enter it on your iPad, because sometimes it requires some additional confirmation, but usually it doesn't happen. That's just in case. Well, then your iPad screen should be mirrored onto your TV. Now, let's say your TV doesn't support the AirPlay. Then we have two other options. The first option is that you can either purchase an adapter. So, for example, this is how the adapter looks like. One end goes into your iPad and the other is an HDMI adapter. So you need to have an HDMI cable, which it connects one end into this side and the other end onto your TV. Now, it depends on what is your cable for your iPad, because the latest iPad usually use the USB-C cable. However, some older iPads also use the lightning cable. So depending on that, you can just go ahead and purchase one, and then it should be simple to connect. However, there is another option, that is using an app on your Play Store. So just go ahead and go to App Store and search up Screen Mirroring TV Cast Air. Now here, there are many apps here, but I would recommend you to go with the ones that are popular and that have many reviews. So for example, this one, Screen Mirroring, there are so many. You can just go ahead and download these apps, and because most of these apps can connect your iPad wirelessly to many TV brands. So just go ahead and try these apps as well, because many of them will work out. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.